Good day guys, I'm Hassan and welcome to Cad Gizmo. Friends, in this video we will discuss the AutoCAD line settings. So let's start the video. And guys, before I start the video, please like, subscribe and share my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to see the latest updates. In this video we will discuss 2 points of line settings, the line width and the line type. And for that, first we draw some lines. Press F8 to make it straight and give the 5 units and press enter. Zoom it. We draw a line with the 10 units. We select it and make some copies with the CO tool. First we change the colors. Give the red color, yellow, green, and give the blue color, and give the magenta color. And first we change the line weight of our lines, and for that we select the red line, and in the home tab and into the properties panel we have the line weight. Click it and click on 0.30 mm. The line weight of this line will change, but the display of this line will not change. And for that we turn on the line weight display, and for that type LW display and type on and press enter, and you can see the line weight of this red line will change. Now we select this yellow line and change the line weight 0.60 mm. .90 mm, .1.20 mm, and 2 mm. So in this way we change the line weight of all of our lines. Now we change the line type, and for that we select this red line, click here, click on other, load your required line type, select it, and click on OK. Now click on OK. Select this red line and give the line type AutoCAD ISO 02W100. But you can see the display of this line will not change, and for that we should change the line type scale. Select it, and in properties you can change the line type scale 0.1 units and press enter. We change it 0.2, 0.05, give the value 0.08, like this. So in this way we change the line type and line type scale. Now we select this yellow line and change the line type ISO 03, and we change the line type scale same as the red line 0.08 units and press enter. So you can see the difference between the two line types, ISO 02 and this is line type ISO 03. Now we change the line type of this green line with the center, and you can see the line type display will change. And now we select this blue line and change the line type, and this magenta line we'll pick the divide to line type. 0.08 or 0.1, 0.2, 0.6, 0.15, 0.6, 0.05, 0.10, 1, 3, 4, or we give the 2.5. so this is better. So guys, in this way we change the line weight and the line type of our lines, and with the help of line type scale we change the display of our lines. So guys, in this video we see the line weight, the line type scale and line weight display. And guys, if you have any question related to this video, then please leave a comment, or you can contact me on WhatsApp also. So take care yourself and see you soon in the next video.